In darkness I lingered mid doubt and despair, since bondage long held me a captive to care. But Jesus delivered my soul from its chains. His precious blood cleansed me from sin's guilty stains. The world and its pleasures did tempt me to stray. I saw not the danger that lurked on the way. The toils closed around me, I knew no release. But Jesus has found me and given me his peace. Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner, and get right with God.
So what we have over here are potatoes that are shooting up. We have here the spinach, the kale, the beets, green onions, some over there, green onions, carrots shooting up there, other produce shooting up there, extra kale. And on the far end here, we have the radish on the top row, second row spinach, third row radish, and fourth row spinach. First time gardening, going by faith. So far, so good. We'll take you a tour in the greenhouse now. All right, so we got something going there. And we got avocado shooting up there. And we have some beans starting here as well.
Look at the apple.
Yeah.
Look at the apple.
Wow! Do you want any food? Hello!
Hello.
Feed the chickens. Bidi bidi! Yeah, isn't that cool? Yes. Bidi bidi! Free range chicken. Avancé. And what plant is this?
Persil.
Okay, this is the parsley plant, and when you grow it can go throughout winter, and it pushes seeds
Seed, oui.
within the following year. That's how seeds come
peas?
from. This is the green peas. This is how they're grown.
Regarde comme ils sont gros. Regarde, lui, là.
Wow, so gros.
Tiens, celui-là.
Ouais. So Swiss chard, and what you do is you grow it, and it becomes when it grows really really tall, then seeds will come out of it. This is coriander, where it came from, and my son is mashing it into powder, and I'll use some of this flavor for porridge. Thank you. Good job. Good job.
Jesus is